Are you looking to monetize your blogs or earn a passive income? If so, then affiliate networks might be the solution you have been looking for. Imagine having access to thousands of top affiliate programs, timely payouts, receiving expert support to grow your affiliate marketing business. Sounds pretty good, right? So in this video, I will guide you to choose the right affiliate network for your platform, including what an affiliate network is, why you should join one, and why they are the perfect fit for beginners like you. So I have found 5 best affiliate networks, so we are going to take a look at each of them and rank them. So we are going to start from bottom and then go to golden top. So firstly, let's talk about an affiliate network is a one-stop shop for affiliate marketers. It basically connects brand with publishers like bloggers, social media influencers who promote their product and services in exchange of commission. This is going to be Amazon affiliate. It is like a joining club where you can earn money by promoting stuff from Amazon. It's pretty easy to get started. Just go to Amazon website, scroll down, and then click on Amazon affiliate, and then you sign up. To get approved, if you have a blog or a website, you need to have at least 10 posts, and if you have a social media account, you need around 500 followers with a good engagement. These requirements are pretty low, so it's easy to get in. Once you are approved, you will get a special link of a product that you want to promote. So when someone clicks on your link and buys a product, you get a commission. And when they add it to their cart also, you still earn a commission. Amazon has a lot of product which is cool. But here is a downside also. The commission is quite low, usually between 1 to 5%. So you need to sell a lot to make a good money. But here is a good thing also. You only need $10 to cash out. So even if you do just a bit, you still get paid. Overall, Amazon is a great place to start if you want to try to make money with affiliate marketing. Just find stuff your audience like and make sure you will earn enough. And then think about how you can reach even more people. But there are still 4 more programs that I consider to be one of the best. So moving to number 4, Share a Sale. It's also like another club where you can make money by promoting stuff. But it's just a bit different from Amazon. It's one of the biggest affiliate networks where they have total over 4,500 different affiliate partners on their site. Now this platform is pretty simple to get started. To sign up, just go to their website, click sign up, and then affiliate sign up. Now fill in some information about your website or your social media. So to get approved, you gonna need to be active in whatever website you are sharing with them. And also you need to have some type of organic traffic on that platform, which doesn't include bots. After that, they will check it out and let you know if you are in within a few days. They have got tons of product that you can promote like Warby Parker and Reebok, which is pretty cool. But using their website is bit trickier as compared to others, and you will also not get a lot of fancy data on this platform. Also, you can make at least $50 before they will pay you, which might seem like a lot if you are just starting out. So if you focus on growing your blogs or social media first, then you will have more people to share your links with. The key is to find products that fits your audience. Suppose if you are making tech videos, so you will make more money by promoting affordable stuffs like keyboards than expensive laptops. In short, Share a Sale is also a good place to start if you want to promote mainstream brands. But remember to focus on building your audience first. That way, hitting that $50 payout won't be too hard. Moving forward to number 3, Partner Stack. It's a bit different from what we have covered before. This one is all about digital software products which can be useful for all sort of content like technical stuff, businesses, finance, and more. They have just about 300 products, which might not seem like a lot, but they have still got a variety. My favorite things are password manager, AI tools, and the productivity stuff. I have actually recommend a different password manager through different affiliates, and I also know that this is another great program. So to get started, just go to their website, click on Get Started, click on Join under Publishers and Partners, then fill out some basic information, sign up, and then follow up some onboarding steps. And the best part, you don't need to worry about having a huge followers or a big platform already. They make it accessible for everyone who wants to give it a try only. Once you are in, you can start promoting your product right away. You earn a set commission for each scale, and you can also start work with as many brands as you want. Just remember, the commission and the sales amount vary from brand to brand, as each brand has its own payout levels. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons of this platform, that their dashboard is really easy to use, and they are tracking cookies last up to 90 days, which is longer than 30 to 60 days offered by the others. They also offer dedicated managers to help you out. Plus, you only need to make $5 to get paid, which is awesome for keeping that cash flow going. This network is perfect for the tech channels or anyone who are just talking about the software products. But even if you are not in that niche, you can still earn money. Only you need to know what your audience wants. Second one is very popular, ClickBank. It's been over around 25 years, and it also offers a whopping of 21,000 products in over 276 different categories that are basically great for anyone. So out of these products, you will find out that dog training to health supplies to even finance courses, all in one platform. So to get started, just head over to its website. Now click on Get Started and fill out some basic information. Then browse through Marketplace to find out products you want to promote. Then click on Promote to get your affiliate link and start earning. What's so cool about ClickBank is that you don't need any high following on social media or websites to get approved. Plus, you can get some high commission payouts or sometimes even up to thousands of dollars. Overall, ClickBank is a great option for beginners because it's easy to use and offers a potential for higher earnings. And the best part, it's completely free to join. The top affiliate program that I use and I love the most is Impact. It's like the VIP club of affiliate networks with great accessibility, ease of use, and awesome earning potential. It's trusted by tons of affiliate partners. Many brands switch to Impact because they love it too much. They have actually a big team that is super organized and always ready to help, which is very rare in this affiliate world. Getting started with Impact is very simple. Fill out your basic information. Now add your any social media or website link. Now verify your mail and then add payment and text details. Now Impact prefers you to have some traffic on your platform before they approve you because it's the brand themselves who decide. Then you can customize your profile to stand out and apply for the brands you want to work with. Once you are in, you have access of about 1200 brands offering everything from digital to physical products. And if a brand takes too long to approve you, just mail them directly and it works 99% of the time. The cool thing about Impact is that you can negotiate directly through their platform and they make it easy for you to stay informed about the brands that you are promoting. Plus, you only need $10 to withdraw your earnings and you can get paid weekly, monthly or whenever you want. So if you are looking for an affiliate network with lots of options, great communication and easy earning, then Impact might be a perfect fit for you. And that's all. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.